Hello, Angela White-Smith here. I know us in Pine Bluff, we just came off an awesome week. It was homecoming here. Everyone was gathered around. It was a great time had by all. But now it's time for the real homecoming. The real homecoming is getting you in your own home, not a rent house, not apartments, not your parents' house, but your own place. And trust me, it is possible, very possible for you to own a home here in Pine Bluff, Arkansas. Prices are affordable. There are so many programs, first time home buyers assistance, where you can have closing costs, down payment assistance provided. You can have a credit score down to 580 to qualify for this. And you're still nervous a little bit. I get it. I promise you, the Zoom classes that I do, totally friendly. You can ask any question you want. Very easy going. It's a no judgment zone. We all have to learn. But the real homecoming is getting to you in your own place. So we're going to do two. Thursday, October 26th, 6 p.m. and Wednesday, November 1st, 6 p.m. Two classes, log in, it's free, doesn't cost you anything. Follow all the links and below, on the above, beside, all those places. Share it, because again, we want to get everybody into a home, because most of the times paying for your own house is actually cheaper than paying for rent. And I'm going to show you how. Bye.